Hello everyone, so if you want to change the keyboard theme on your POCO X6 Pro or set either a default look or a custom design, well, first of all, let's start with open up our settings. Now we gotta scroll down to your additional settings. Here they are, and in your additional settings, in your system settings, you are to find your languages and input. Let's open it up. Now we gotta find our input methods tab and find our manage keyboards tab. In this tab, find your Gboard, press on it. So here we'll see a lot of different options. So first of all, let's press theme. So here we have a lot of different themes, such as landscapes like gradient or some dark gradient sections. So we can check how it looks if we're gonna press on the icon, and here we got our preview. However, you can set your own background and create a custom design. So in order to do that, swipe to the top, find my themes, tap on the plus, and here you can choose from your photo. So you can pitch it, scale, drag it to move. For example, let's make it this way. Now press next. Now you can adjust brightness and transparency. So let's make it somewhat like this. Press done. And here is our keyboard. We can toggle keyboarders on and off in the section right here. However, I prefer having it. And you can adjust it as you want to. Now when you're satisfied with your changes, simply press apply, and here it is. Now it always will be there in my themes. However, if you want to go back to your classic keyboard, simply tap on the default, press apply. As you see, our custom keyboard is not disappearing. However, we can easily switch between them now. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.